a trace on USPS.com. Step 1. Access USPS.com. Click on Help in the upper right corner. Select Find Missing Mail from the options. If you don't have a post office account, click Register to create one for easier form completion later. Step 2. Fill out the Request Help form online. Choose 2. Complete a help request form. Click Start your form and provide the necessary information. Submit the form online. It will be sent to the local post office for investigation. Step 3. Call USPS customer service. If you prefer direct communication, call USPS customer service at 800-275-8777. Explain the circumstances of the lost package to generate a case number. Note it down for reference. Step 4. Wait and track. Allow 48 hours for a response. If none received, call USPS for progress updates. If you filled out the form and haven't received a response in 7 business days, initiate a lost email search. Supplementary information. Provide detailed package information in the form. Include sender and receiver addresses, package size, and specific details about the contents, brand, color, size, etc. By following these steps and providing comprehensive information, you increase the chances of retrieving your lost package promptly. Thank you for your watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget